guys, and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I decided to do a clean with me video because I've never done one of these and just kind of wanted to try it out. So the very first thing that I do every single morning is go ahead and make my bed. I like to tidy everything up, so put away the extra blankets, straighten up the bedspread, all that good stuff. I love to do this just to get my day started off right. So the first thing that I do when I am cleaning is I always tell Alexa to go ahead and put on my very favorite radio station on Pandora, which is called Vertical Worship. It is so good. Anyway, I go ahead and I put that on, and here I am just putting away dishes from the night before that were drying, and then cleaning our breakfast things. First things that I do when I start to clean the kitchen after I've done the dishes and whatnot is I go ahead and I clean the stove, and this is the product that I use, that spray, since we have an electric stove. Then I also use this stainless steel cleaner to clean down all of our stainless steel appliances so that we don't have any streaks or fingerprints or anything like that. If it's the same for you, let me know in the comments below, but I love cleaning my stainless steel because I feel like that's one of the ways that you notice that everything has gotten clean, because there's literally no fingerprints or smudges, and I just love that and think it's just the quickest and easiest way to kind of make your kitchen look clean in an instant. Table can quickly become a place where it's just like catch-all stuff. Oh, that's a coloring page that I just finished coloring. I love to color, so does my husband. But anyway, so I always have to make sure that that is picked up and there's not random things on there like this Home Depot bag, which I definitely have to go return a couple things there. Anyway, so here I am just giving everything a place, like taking it back to its little home where it should be, as opposed to on a dining room table. And then I always like to clean these windows because they just bring in so much light. I have these big windows on either side of my front door, and I just love them, so I like to make sure that they're always really clean. Next up is sweeping. I definitely have to keep up with this because we have such dark hardwood, or it's not hardwood, it's vinyl wood floors. I have to make sure that I am always sweeping because, as you can kind of see, anything lighter than this wood, you're going to be able to see it. So I always have to stay on top of our sweeping and our mopping in this house. most of our time here either between the kitchen or the family room, so the spot tends to be really lived in, and I always like to make sure that I am sanitizing our remote controls because obviously we're always touching those, and then I go ahead and fluff the pillows, fold the blankets, and just kind of tidy the space up. Really enjoy this like spot cleaning mop, or like the Swiffer for spot cleaning. I think it's really great. I do like a deep cleaning, like deep mopping, whatever you want to call it, about twice a month. It's just my husband and I, so it's not like there's a whole lot of traffic going on in our house right now. But for at least like spot treating, I do like the Swiffer a lot. So, fun fact about me, I am not a fan of doing laundry. I don't actually mind folding the laundry, but it's like actually bringing the laundry to the laundry room and then actually putting the laundry away that I like take issue with. That is all the cleaning that I did on this day. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and watch my favorite Netflix show right now, which is Anne with an E from Anne of Green Gables. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.